When Highway 30, the Lincoln Highway, was the main New York City to San Francisco artery, diversions like the Big Coffee Pot were well visited. Built in 1927, the 18-foot-high Coffee Pot was originally a lunch place adjoining gas station. In 1937, it became a bar with a hotel built in behind. Even after the highways bypassed Route 30, the Coffee Pot catered to locals, sitting just west of town across from the county fairgrounds. Time took its toll on the Coffee Pot. The place changed hands. For a decade or so, it was closed and for sale in major disrepair. People of Bedford thought that the Big Pot might have more life left in it, and preservationists managed to save the Coffee Pot in 2003. The County Fair Association paid $1 to purchase it, and the Lincoln Highway Heritage Park Corridor, an attraction preservation group, spent $80,000 to move the building from across the street to its present location at the fairgrounds in 2004. Over the next 2 decades, the Coffee Pot fell in disrepair once again. In 2023, Leadership Bedford County, class of 2023, chose a historic coffee pot from Bedford County, PA as their project. The class organized fundraisers and sought help from the community to make the coffee pot look brand new again. Their hope was to bring more people into Bedford County to see this awesome landmark for years to come.